Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in today's video we will see how you can arrange your text in Excel using the wrap text option that is under alignment in the home tab. Alright, so let's get started. So here you can see there is a small table with details about guests, their addresses, check-in, check-out date, number of guests arriving and the room type they have selected. So this is a sample of you can say a hotel database. Okay, now one thing you will notice here is column D, that is the address column. Here you have certain details which are trimmed off, correct? For example, I'll place my cursor here and there is a long address, it ends in Mumbai, but here in the cell you can only see up to Asiatic Villa, comma, right? So the entire address is not visible here. So the main purpose of using wrap text is, as it says, to wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. As simple as that. So wherever, in any case, wherever while you're working with Excel or at your organization, you are working on a table where you have long sets of strings and you want to showcase the entire string or entire sentence, whichever is there, inside the Excel itself, rather than going and clicking on each cell. That's where you can use the wrap function. So let me show you how it is done. All you have to do is, let's say we want to wrap this particular cell. Just click on the cell. So this cell is D3, right? D3. We click here and we just have to go and click on wrap text, and that's it. Now you can see the entire content of this cell in one go, instead of you having to click it or elongate the column. Let me just undo it. So usually sometimes what we also try to do is we click on it and in order to see this entirely we try to stretch or resize the cell. But in that case you will notice now you are able to see the first address for Mustafa, but for Abhijit the address is still not fully visible, correct? So it is not a very not a very fair approach to just resize the cell every time you want to see it. Instead you can use the wrap text option. So in order to wrap a text, you can just click on wrap text. If there are multiple cells that needs to be arranged according to the size of the text, all you have to do is just select those multiple cells and click the wrap text option, and there you go. Now your visual is very clear. You can see all your data in one go, and it is easy for you to read out the entire details without having to resize your cell every now and then. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, please go ahead and click on the like button and also share it with your friends and family if they are interested. Thanks again. See you with another video next week.